Hello, my dear student. Today I will discuss some application problems of continuity. In the previous class, already I have discussed under what condition a function is continuous at a particular point. There are three ways. One is what? First, if the given function is a piecewise function, the given function is a piecewise function, and the particular point, the given point lies more than one function, then you have to prove left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function if we consider the point is a. This is the first one. And second one, if the given points are lies on a single function, then no need to find a left hand and right hand limit. Directly you can prove the limiting value of this function at that point at x equal to a. This one is known as limiting value of this function is equal to value of the function. Limiting value of this function equal to value of the function. And number three, another is point is what if the given function which are given either in logarithm function or trigonometric function or exponential function, then you have to express in terms of h. Would convert to h tends to 0 when you find a left hand limit or right hand limit or value. If you have a given function which are given either in logarithm function or trigonometric function or exponential function. These three things are basic conceptual part to examine whether the function is continuous or not at a particular point. Okay, and there is some another properties. Some properties are also there. I will discuss these properties later. Okay. Next, another point, another important one. The important point is what? Number four. This one is already I have to discuss. If the given function here থাকে, if left hand limit is equal to value of this function, if the left hand limit is equal to value of this function, where right hand limit is undefined, then this one is known as left continuous. Otherwise, if the right hand limit is equal to value of this function where left hand limit is undefined, then this one is known as what? Right continuous. This is known as what? Right continuous. This conceptual part already I have discussed in a previous class. Today here we consider some questions from NCERT exercise 5.1. That is the first question. Prove that the function is one is continuous at x equal to 0 and x equal to -3 and at x equal to 5. Initially we consider first question. First question to consider question number 1. That is the first question. Here the given function is what? Given function is what? F of x is equal to what? 5x minus 3. That is the given function. Initially, you have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 0. এতিয়া চাবা there are three ways. কোনটো way থৈ মই কৰিম এইটো এটা তোমাৰ single function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 কোনটো পইণ্টত কৰিব লাগে at x equal to 0. Therefore, no need to find left hand right hand limit. Okay, directly আমি ইয়াত কি কৰিম আমি limiting value of this function equal to value of the function. Similarly, at x equal to -3 এইটো পইণ্টত উলিয়ালেও তোমাৰ এটা single function এ পৰিছে limiting value of this function equal to value of the function. আৰু similarly at x equal to 5 টো যদি চেক কৰো same procedure we can follow. How can you prove it? কেনেকৈ আমি prove কৰিম চাম. Number 1, that is the given function. এইটো হচ্ছে তোমাৰ given function টো ইয়াত তোমাৰ limiting value limit কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিব লাগে at which point at a point x equal to 0 at a point x. First, William, limiting value, limit x tends to 0, f of x. Limit x tends to 0, f of x. Kuntu point check koribo lage at x equal to 0 point. Okay. This one is known as limiting value. Is equal to limit x tends to 0. F of x function is what? 5x minus 3. কিমান আহিব তেতিয়ালে পুট কৰিলে 5 into 0 minus 3. Ultimately this value is equal to minus. What is the limiting value of this function? Is equal to minus. Next you have to find. Next Julia Mami. Value of this function. Value of this function means what? Which point? At the point x equal to 0. F of 0 put koriলে 5 into 0 minus 3. Ultimately kiman আহিব তোমাৰ minus. That means limiting value of this function equal to value of this function. You have to write. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 1. That means limiting value of this function is equal to what? Value of this function. Limiting value of this function is equal to value of the function. Therefore, f of x is continuous. Continuous at which point? At the point x equal to 0. That is the solution of the given function. Otherwise, when you consider, that is the case number 1, if you consider number 2, second one, at which point? At a point x equal to what? Minus 3. Here limiting value, limit x tends to minus 3 f of x, which is the limiting value of this function. That means you have limit x tends to minus 3 f of x. What is the value of f of x? F of which is the single function 5x minus 3. Ultimately you have 5 into minus 3 কিমান আহিব তোমাৰ minus 3. That means minus 15 minus 3. Ultimately you have minus 18. That is the limiting value of this function. And next you have to find the value of this function f of minus 3. Same function, single function type is. Which one? 5x minus 3. 5 into minus 3 minus 3. Ultimately what? Minus 18. That means limiting value of this function is equal to value of the function. You can write limit x tends to minus 3 f of x is equal to f of minus 3. That means limiting value of this function equal to value of the function. Therefore, you can write f of x is continuous at x equal to what? Minus 3. At x equal to what? Minus 3. Okay. Similarly, you can prove at x equal to 5 also. Because it's like single function আছে, single function or তাৰ যিটো domain থাকিব, সেই domain or সদায় সেই particular function to সদায় continuous. Again, I will repeat. Single function is always continuous in its domain. তাৰ particular domain to সদায় সেই particular function to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ continuous. ইয়াত কি আছে at x equal to 0 continuous হ'ল. Similarly, x equal to minus 3 আৰু at x equal to 5. Again, when you consider the second question, that is the homework, examine the continuity of this function f of x equal to twice x square minus 1. at x equal to what 3 কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিব লাগে at x equal to 3 the same procedure ইয়াত আমি at x equal to 3 পুট কৰিম ইয়াতো আমি কি উলিয়াব লাগিব লিমিটিং ভ্যালু অফ দিস ফাংশন ইকুয়াল টু ভ্যালু অফ দিস ফাংশন কারণ সিঙ্গেল ফাংশন দিয়া আছে ডেফিনেটলি এখানে ডাইরেক্ট আমি এবাৰ লিমিটিং ভ্যালু উলিয়াম লিমিটিং ভ্যালু অফ দিস ফাংশন ইজ ইকুয়াল টু নেক্সট কি উলিয়াবা আকৌ f of 3 which is the value of this function ইয়াত যেনেকৈ এটো উলিয়াইছো আমি এটো লিমিটিং ভ্যালু অফ দিস ফাংশন আৰু নেক্সট কি উলিয়াবা তুমি ভ্যালু অফ দিস ফাংশন দুইটা ডেফিনেটলি ইকুয়াল হ'ব সিওর কারণ ইয়ার ডোমেইন কি হয় that is the polynomial function domain is all the real number it is a linear function polynomial function linear আছে এটা quadratic expression এটা linear expression ইয়ার ডোমেইন আছে all the real number গুটে real নাম্বারটা কি কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় এখানে 0 টু হবে -3 টু 5 টু এটো হচ্ছে আমার সিম্পল প্রসিডিউর you have to prove mathematically in this given procedure okay otherwise তুমি ইয়াত কম্পাইল যাবা যে function is continuous or not okay that is the second one that is the homework for you okay next here we consider one more example examine the following function for continuity in the last problems already mentioned at some particular point say x equal to 0 x equal to -3 x equal to 5 like that but here there is no any specific point কোনো এটা পয়েন্ট তোমার মেনশন করা নাই তা how can you prove it কেনেকে আমি prove করি now initially we consider first question number a first তোমার কনসিডার কৰিছো f of x is equal to x minus if there is no any specific point যদি তোমার কোনো এটা স্পেসিফিক পয়েন্ট that মেনশন করা না থাকে তুমি তার কোড চেক কৰিব লাগিব কন্টিনিউটি ইন ইটস ডোমেইন এখানে what is the domain it is a linear function domain is what is the domain of this function domain of this function is what all the real number eto domain কারণ linear function eto domain কি হবো all the real value except 5 5 লব নোৱাৰো something by 0 undefined eto কিমান হবো all the real value except -5 eto কি হবো domain modulus function all the real value so how can you prove it কেনেকে আমি prove কৰিম সাবা single function তে পৰি আছে তেতিয়ালে কেনেকে prove কৰিম চাই লও আমি this one okay how can you proceed তেমো কেনেকে proceed কৰিম first প্ৰথমতে লব লাগিব let আগতে আমাৰ specific point দিয়া আছে x equal to 0 x equal to -3 but there is no any specific point here we consider f x equal to what a consider কৰিছো a is any constant which is belongs to where r means what domain of this function you have to mention it in this way a is any constant which always represent all the real value the real value represent কৰিছে এটা single function তে পৰি আছে definitely the single function ত পৰিলে আমি কি উলিয়াম তাৰ limiting value of this function limit x tends to which point কোনটো point লৈছো মই a f of x the function is what limit x tends to a for its domain r all the real value karone function is what x minus 5 এটা function to place on not put করে দিল x minus 5 that means you have a minus 5 that is the limiting value of this function next আমি কি উলিয়াব পাৰো চাবা value of this function f of what a is which one a represent what all the real number which is domain of this function what x minus 5 f of a represent কৰিছে গুটে real value কিনি কাৰ a function টো তেতিয়াহলে a function টো x or place কি পুট কৰিছো মই ৰিপ্লেস কৰিছো a ultimately you have what a minus 5 that is the limiting value of this function and that is the value of this function both are equal ultimately you can write limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of এটা তোমার equal Okay, that means f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous on where? A means where? All the real number. Therefore, f of x is what? Continuous. F of x is continuous on all the real number. That is the solution of the first question. Similarly, second B2 তুমি কৰিবা কেনেকে? How can you prove it? Second one, B equation. The B2 কি আছে তোমাৰ চোৱা? Function already mentioned this one. F of x is equal to 1 by what? X minus 5. What is the domain? What is the domain of this function? কি ল'ব নোৱাৰো? That is a fractional format. All are real value except what? Okay. Now here we consider let x equal to some constant. You can consider a or b like that. A belongs to where? What is the domain of this function? All are real value except 5. Next, এতিয়া কি উলিয়াবা ইয়াৰ limiting value like that. এটা যেনেকে উলিয়াইছিলো সেইটো procedure আমি কি উলিয়াম limiting value of this function. Next কি উলিয়াবা তুমি value of the function. Definitely both are equal হবে. Therefore function is continuous on where all the real value except what? Similarly, equation C also the same procedure. What is the domain of this function? C to কি আসলে তোমার domain of the function of equation number C is what? All the real value except what? Minus 5. All the real value except what? Minus 5. Similarly, you can consider a particular point say at x equal to a, which is belongs to where? All the real value except what? Minus 5. And next, you can find the limiting value of this function and value of this function. If these two values are definitely equal, therefore function is what? Continuous on its domain, all the real value except what? Minus. Okay. Next, D also. D2 তোমাৰ same procedure কৰিব পাৰিবা. What is the domain of this function? এটো generally কি function হয়? Mod function. Mod function or domain কি হয়? All the what? Domain of this function is what? All the real number. Same two procedure follow কৰিবা. First উলিয়াব লাগিব আমি limiting value of this function. Next উলিয়াবা তুমি value of this function. Both are equal over definitely. Therefore function is continuous. That particular domain is what? All the real number. These B, C and D. These are the home. Okay. Next, question number 4. Prove that the function f of x equal to x to the power n is a continuous at x equal to n. Same procedure. Ekata procedure ete follow koriba. Tomar naam ki dia ase value to at x equal to n. Eto eta single function poriche. Definitely at limiting value of this function n not uliaba. Limiting value of this function equal to what? Value of this function. Definitely yat ki olaba function is continuous. Single function পড়িলে গম পাবা যে limiting value of this function is equal to what? Value of this function. First উলিয়াব লাগিব তোমাৰ question number 4 to উলিয়াব লাগিব limiting limit which point x tends to n f of x limit x tends to n. What is the function? X to the power n. So what is the value of this part? N to the power n, where n is what? Any positive integer. That is the limiting value of this function. And next you have to find value of this function f of n. F of n উলিয়ালে তোমাৰ কিমান হ'ব function? It is a single function. N to the power what? That means but value of this function, that is the limiting value of this function, that is the value of this function. Both values are what? Equal. You can write this part equal to this one. Therefore, f of x is what? Continuous at x equal to n, where n is what? Any positive integer. Next, here I will discuss question number 5. Is the function this one continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 2? এতিয়া চাবা question to দেখিয়ে তুমি predict কৰিব পাৰিবা sure you can predict it at which point the function is continuous at কোনটো পইণ্টত নহয় এতিয়া first point is what at x equal to 0 0 তকে যদি slight greater হয় তাৰমানে কেনেকুৱা 0.0001 কোনটো ফাংশন পৰিব definitely 0.0001 0.001 definitely কোনটো পৰিব first function 0 তকে slight greater that means which represent right hand limit 0 তকে slight less তাৰমানে কি minus 0.00001 always lies in the first function x equal to 0 always lies in the first function তাৰমানে single function ত পৰিছে which lies on a single function at which point at x equal to 0 0 তকে slight greater that means which represent right hand limit slight greater মানে কেনেকুৱা ভ্যালু লৈছা তুমি 0.00001 definitely first function তে পৰিব এটো আহিব ইয়াৰ পৰা তোমাৰ right hand limit মই just এটা তোমাৰ physically তোমাৰ recall কৰিব কাৰণে এটো কৈছো next তোমাৰ যদি 0 তকে slight less minus 0.00001 এটা first function এ পৰিব at f of 0 first function এ পৰিব তাৰ মানে কি ওলালে তোমাৰ single function ত পৰি যায় যেতিয়া 0 পইণ্ট চেক কৰি যায় তেতিয়া single function ত পৰিছে definitely no need to find right and left hand limit no need to find right hand and left hand limit directly you can find limiting value of this function is equal to value of this function যদিও তোমাৰ question to তোমাৰ piecewise function আছে piecewise function or কোনটো পইণ্টত তোমাৰ right and left hand limit উলিয়াবই লাগিব at which point যদি point তোমাৰ 1 দিয়ে x equal to 1 1 to first function to vary হৈ আছে 1 কে slight less হলে তোমাৰ first function পৰিলে 1 কে slight greater হলে তোমাৰ second function পৰিলে definitely vary more than one function definitely you can examine the continuity of this function at a point x equal to 1 in this procedure always you have to find right hand limit and left hand limit similarly at x equal to 2 point যদি লও কে slight greater second function 2 কে slight less second function x equal to 2 second function single function কৰিলে তেতিয়ালে ইয়াত আমি right hand আৰু left hand limit মই উলিয়াব নালাগে কি উলিয়ামে আৰু তুমি directly you can find the limiting value of this function equal to what value of this function first now initially we consider at the point which point at x equal to 0 at x equal to 0 point at মই চেক okay the 0 point যদি মই চেক কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়ালে আমি 0 point left hand বা right hand limit উলিয়াব নালাগে তেতিয়ালে আমি ডাইৰেক্ট কি উলিয়াম limit x tends to 0 f of x which is the limiting value of this function কারণ 0 to first function তে পড়ি আছে তেতিয়ালে what is the function limit x tends to 0 x tends to 0 হলে definitely 0 1 কে always less তেতিয়ালে function টো পৰিলে তোমাৰ x আৰু এটো আহি গল 0 next you have to find you will have a value of this function f of 0 f of 0 হলে তোমাৰ x equal to 0 0 to কি 1 কে less first function এ পৰিব তা ultimately ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু কি আহিব তোমাৰ x পুট কৰিলে x এর প্লেসে 0 আছে 0 therefore you have limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to what f of 0 limiting value of this function equal to value of the function hence f of x is continuous at x f of x is continuous at x next second one number 2 second point is what at x equal to 1 at x equal to 1 point check করতে 1 to কি হইছে দুটা ফাংশনত লাইজ হইছে ফার্স্ট এন্ড সেকেন্ড ওয়ান তেতিয়ালে আমি ইয়াত লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াবই লাগিব লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট কোনটো উলিয়াম আমি লিমিট x tends to 1 negative f of x. One negative means what? One negative means slightly less than one. Slightly less than one hole one ke less hole kuntu ahile tumar first function x. Ultimately yaar value kiman ahibo tumar. Next one is what? Right hand limit. Right hand limit. Right hand limit uliya hole tumar limit x tends to 1 positive 1 at slight getter. This function f of x, when you consider the limiting value is slightly greater than 1, then we consider which function 1 or slight greater hole second function here value আছে definitely 5 here value kiman ahile there is no any variable value is what 5 and finally you have to find the value of this function f of 1 f of 1 x equal to 1 which function we use first one definitely r value kiman ahibo tumar ultimately you have left hand limit is not equal to what right hand limit এই দুটা value generally equal নহয় the limit was does not exist যদি limit exist নহয় the function is not a continuous therefore f of x is not continuous at x equal to 1 function to কি নহয় তোমাৰ continuous next similarly you can prove at x equal to 2 point at তুমি চেক কৰিব পাৰা 2 point at কি কৰিবা তুমি limiting value of this function equal to value of the function y কোনটো function কৰিব definitely second function টুটকে স্লাইড গিটাৰ হলো second function টুটকে less হলো তোমাৰ second function again no need to find left hand and right hand limit directly you can prove the given function is a continuous function by using this condition limiting value of this function equal to value of this function. Is the solution. Okay, this one is homework at x equal to. Now here we consider some another question. Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by this one. First তেতিয়ালে তোমাৰ discontinuity যদি বুলিয়াব কৈছে discontinuity where possibility point is what 2 point তোমাৰ যদি continuity চেক কৰিব কৈছে যে specific at x equal to 2 তেতিয়া 2 2 উলিয়াম discontinuity বুলি ক'লে তোমাৰ ইয়াত x equal to 2 তে উলিয়াম কাৰণ কিয় 2 কে less value কাৰণে তোমাৰ single function এ পৰিব 2 কে greater কাৰণে তোমাৰ second function single function e pile ekan 2 ke less kinir karone single function ki always continuous 2 ke greater single function ki always continuous hobe eta continuous hobo ba nohobo porar possibility point is what at x equal to 2 if the question is like that find all the points of discontinuity then definitely kuntu point of discontinuity where possibility ase at x equal to 2 এখানে 2.2 তুমি discontinuity চেক কৰিব লাগিব তাৰ মানে কি উলিয়াব লাগিব 2 পইণ্টত আমি কন্টিনিউটি চেক কৰিম তাৰমানে 2 পইণ্টত এবাৰ মই লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াম এবাৰ ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট আৰু এবাৰ ভ্যালু অফ দি ফাংশন কাৰণ 2.2 more than one function of utilize with more than one function যদি তোমাৰ লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট and value of this function if these three values are equal then definitely function is continuous at x equal to 2 there is no any discontinuity point ইয়াতে তুমি চাব পাৰা question number 6 to মই simply discuss কৰি দিছো question number 6 ইয়াত left hand limit উলিয়াব লাগিব কাৰণ কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিব লাগে at x equal to 2 mention like that কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিম at x equal to initially consider the left hand limit তোমাৰ কোনটোত উলিয়াব লাগিব limit x tends to 2 negative f of x 2 ke slight less slightly less which function we consider definitely first one limit x tends to 2 negative 2 ke less hole tomar first function ki mana aibo what is the value of this function twice x plus 3 ultimately what 2 into 2 plus 3 that means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Similarly, next আমি এবার কি উইলিয়াম রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট, কারণ যেহেতু পয়েন্ট আছে সেহেতু মোর দেন ওয়ান ফাংশন, দুইটা ফাংশনে ভ্যারি হয়ে আছে, এখানে লেফট হ্যান্ড এন্ড রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট always you have to find limit x tends to 2 positive f of x. 2 positive means what? Slightly greater than, slightly যদি greater than 2 হয়, 2 কে slight greater হলে which function we consider? Second one, y6 minus 3. Ultimately you have 2 into 2 minus 3, and ultimately 4 minus 3 1 here, and value of this function f of 2, f of 2 হলে x equal to 2, first function করি 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3 কিমান আহি গ'ল তোমাৰ 7, therefore ইয়াত কি আহি গ'ল তোমাৰ left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, hence f of x is discontinuous at which point? At x equal to which point? At x equal to 2 pointed function to ki equal to mar discontinuous. Okay, that is the solution of the equation number 6. Discontinuous jodi tomar equal ahi gol then titela ami continuous likhilu, there is no any discontinuity point. Okay, the similarly ইয়াত তোমাৰ উলিয়াব লাগিব at x equal to -3 equation, -3 উলিয়াব লাগিব, আৰু এবাৰ তোমাৰ কোড উলিয়াব লাগিব তোমাৰ +3, দুটা পইণ্টত দুবাৰ মিছে। ওকে, তে -3 এবাৰ লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াম, এবাৰ রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট, কারণ -3 টো দুটা ফাংশন রাইজ হৈ আছে। নেক্সট 3 পইণ্টত তুমি লেফট হ্যান্ড আৰু রাইট হ্যান্ড উলিয়াব লাগিব, কারণ দুটা ফাংশনত ভেৰি হৈ আছে। the same procedure ইয়াত যেনিবা only 2 পইণ্টত চেক কৰিছিলা, ইয়াত আমি দুটা পইণ্টত কৰিম, এটা x equal to -3 and x equal to 3. that is the solution of question number 7. যদি ইকুয়াল হয়, যেটো পয়েন্টত ইকুয়াল আহিব তাক কন্টিনিউয়াস, যেটো পয়েন্টত আনইকুয়াল আহিছে this one is function is discontinuous. Next, here we consider another question number what? 8. Question number 8 to discuss. Yeah, generally modulus function থাকিলে আৰু এটা way তুমি কৰিব পাৰা, another way is what? You can simplify it. Equation number 8 মই এইটো way simplify কৰি লব পাৰা, f of x mod of x, x is not equal to 0, mod x থাকিলে generally mod x or concept is what? Mod of x or concept কি আছিলে তোমাৰ x হয় under what condition? If x is greater than 0. minus x হয় কেতিয়া হয়? If x is less than 0. 0 হয় কেতিয়া হয়? If x equal to 0. Okay, তেতিয়াহলে তোমাৰ mod of x, if we consider value is x is greater than 0, greater than যদি 0 হয় তেতিয়াহলে mod of x এর ভ্যালু কিমান আহিব? ডেফিনেটলি প্লাস x আহিব, তার মানে equation solution is what? x by x. Otherwise, if we consider x is less than 0, not equal to 0 মানে either greater than 0 or less than 0. If x is less than 0, then what is the value of mod of x? Mod of x এর ভ্যালু জেনারেলি আমি কি লিখো? -x, মানে উপরে আহিব তোমাৰ -x mod x এর ভ্যালু, আর তলত তো আলটিমেটলি কি আছে? only x. Again, if we consider x equal to 0, then this value is always 0. That means this function you can write, এনেকে লিখিব পাৰি এইটো part, you can write this one is 1 if under what condition? X is greater than 0. This one is -1 if x is less than 0. 0 if x equal to 0. Okay, এটা continuity কোনটো পয়েন্টত চেক কৰিব লাগে? We have to check the continuity of this function, কারণ 0 to more than one function vary হৈ আছে, therefore at x equal to 0 ইয়াত আমি continuity check কৰিম, initially you have to find a left hand limit. ইয়াতে তুমি গম পাই আছা ই যে ডিসকন্টিনিউয়াস হয় কাৰণ 0 তকে স্লাইড গেটাৰ ভ্যালু ললে যেতিয়া ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াম তাৰ ভ্যালু 1 ওলাব যেতিয়া তুমি 0 তকে লেস তাৰ মানে লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াম তাৰ ভ্যালু -1 তাৰ মানে 1 আৰু -1 কেতিয়াও ইকুৱেল নহয় the function is always discontinuous হৈ আছে কিন্তু জাস্ট আমি এইটো পাৰ্ট আমি কৰিবই লাগিব generally mathematically কি লিখিম limit x tends to 0 negative f of x 0 negative f of x 0 negative means what 0 negative means slightly less than 0 slightly less than 0 means which condition we consider second one the value of this function is what -1 therefore this value is equal to similarly next you have to find the right hand limit right hand limit uliam right hand limit same point limit x tends to 0 positive f of x 0 positive means what slightly greater than 0 limit x tends to 0 positive which function we consider 0 positive means what first function definitely this value is equal to 1 and this one is equal to 1 and value of this function f of 0 f of 0 means what x equal to 0 then this value is equal to always what ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি কি পাই গলা তুমি left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit okay therefore what f of x is discontinuous at which point at a point x equal to 0 you can prove or you can say in this way okay. Similarly etu jodi mo koribole jao question number 9 same procedure yat x is less than 0 ase less than 0 hole ei part to ami likhi uliai lo keneke uliai lo function to moi simple ke tomake ebar moi dekhai disu question number 9 only function to what define kori moi ebar dekhaisu question number 9 you can write in this way f of x if we consider x is less than 0 then what is the value of mod of x definitely there is value is equal to -x and this one is x and remaining at x is greater than equal to 0 this one also is what -1 therefore function is what etu ahile tomar -1 when x is less than 0 aru etu ki ahile tomar -1 if x is greater than equal to 0 aru ya jodi tumi enekeo likhibo para duitar function or value same you can write in this way f of x equal to -1 and x is belongs to what you can write in this way and 0 point ke 0 ke slide less hole tomar -1 greater holo tomar -1 is same function constant function 0 ke equal or 0 holo same function ehekene moi ekeloge enekeu likhibo para etu procedure jodi tumi likha when you express this procedure tela tomar etu single function porile the limiting value of this function equal to value of this function will para otherwise jodi tumi etu step nilikha etu step jodi nai likha তেতিয়াহলে তুমি কোনটো পয়েন্টত কি লিখিবা at which point at a point x equal to 0 point of missing এবার লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট ভ্যালু অফ দ্য ফাংশন আর ডেফিনেটলি কি ওলাব তোমার কন্টিনিউয়াস দেব কারণ দুইটার ভ্যালু তোমার কি হয়ে আছে তোমার সেম that is the solution of the next here ইয়াতে তোমার question number 10 question number 10 dot কি কৰিব লাগিব discontinuity code check কৰিব লাগিব question number 10 এটো নিজে কৰিবা at which point x equal to 1 ইয়াত এবাৰ তুমি লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াবা এবাৰ তুমি রাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট উলিয়াম আৰু নেক্সট কি উলিয়াবা তুমি ভ্যালু অফ দি ফাংশন f of 1 এটা ইকুয়াল আহিছে নাই চাবা যদি নট ইকুয়াল হয় তাহলে ডিসকন্টিনিউয়াস সিমিলারলি question number 11 ইয়াতো তোমাৰ কোনটো পয়েন্টত ডিসকন্টিনিউটি চেক কৰিব লাগিব at x equal to 2 at x equal to 2 Similarly, you can find left hand limit, next right hand limit, next f of. Next question number 12. We are going to point out at a point x equal to 1. এবার left hand limit উলিয়াম, এবার right hand limit আর এবার ভ্যালু। Is it equal or not? You can check it. These three questions, these are the homework. Okay. Next, one more question is what? Is the function defined by this one a continuous function? The continuous function হয় নহয় তোমাৰ চেক কৰিব লাগে। চেক কৰিবলৈ হলে কোনটো পইণ্টত চেক কৰিম ডেফিনেটলি। ই যদি কন্টিনিউয়াস নহলে এটা পইণ্টতে নহব পাৰে, কোনটো পইণ্টত নহব পাৰে 1ত। কাৰণ 1তকে লেস হলে তোমাৰ সিঙ্গল ফাংশন পৰিব, 1তকে গ্ৰেটাৰ হলে তোমাৰ সিঙ্গল ফাংশন পৰি যাব, তাতটো কন্টিনিউয়াস হবই সিওর। নহলে এটা আছে তোমাৰ 1 পইণ্টত তোমাৰ more than one ফাংশনত ভেৰি হৈ আছে, তেতিয়াহলে 1 পইণ্টত মই কি উলিয়াম এবাৰ লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট। Left hand limit তোমার কি আহিব limit x tends to 1 negative f of x. 1 negative means what? Slightly less than 1. Which function? Definitely first function x plus 5. X means what? 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Similarly, the right hand limit. Right hand limit উলিয়াবলৈ হলে limit x tends to 1 positive f of 1 or slight greater. 1 or slight greater হলে limit x tends to 1 positive. 1 or slight greater হলে কোনটো second function x minus 5. That means what? 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Next আৰু কি বুলি আমি value of this function f of 1. f of 1 হলে definitely first function পৰিব কাৰণ ইয়াতহে equal আছে। 1 plus 5 কিমান আহি গল তোমাৰ 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay. But ultimately ইয়াত কি আহি গল তোমাৰ left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore function is discontinuous. কোনটো পইণ্টত discontinuous হ'ব at a point x equal to 1. Okay. These are the solution up to question number 13. I hope you will have understood. The next class I will discuss next questions of NCERT. Okay. Thank you.